At Summit Services, we were founded on one simple idea: our customers deserve the very best. Whether it's an installation, repair, or service visit, we're committed to excellence at every step. As a trusted electrician in Hilton Head Island, South Carolina, our team delivers safe, reliable, and high-quality electrical solutions for homes and businesses alike. Your comfort and safety are our top priorities at all times. We handle everything from wiring upgrades to lighting installations and full electrical system maintenance. No matter the project, our certified electricians bring precision and care to every detail. Whether you're remodeling, building new, or just need quick electrical repairs, we make the process simple and stress-free. One call, and our experts handle the rest. Your satisfaction isn't just a goal, it's our guarantee. We're here to power your home and your peace of mind. Call us today at 843-405-2653 or visit callsummitservices.com/products/electrical. Powering excellence, one home at a time at Summit Services.